Hello. This week I managed to create something similar to a save game system. With a developer tool I am now able to save the positions and the orientations of my puzzle pieces as a string. And this save game file, or let's say this string, can be used to create the scene automatically at the very start of the level. Finally, I am now able to enter a scene and something is pre-built. I no longer have to build up my scene each time. I already had once a building up function in one of the previous versions, but I changed many things in the building standard, so I had to come up with a very new version of this building script. I also created this feature of those screws. I wanted something that displays the user which parts are removable, which parts are collectible, and which parts are not. I think this could become very handy, let's say in a tutorial level. So screws appear most useful in the circuit puzzle visualization of this application. However, in the other versions of the themes, it looks somehow out of place, but still the user is able to get which part he's able to move. In the future, I think it could be useful to have, as an example, let's say a riddle, and some specific components are fixated at the floor, let's say the battery and some bulbs, and the user has only the possibility to rearrange some specific cable, besides having an already pre-built scene. The user is collecting here some more puzzle pieces in this video sequence, and he is able to build and rearrange the puzzle pieces which he is able to move. I also fixed a bug in the card selection. However, if I collected some specific cards but the position of the index of those cards had some values in between, the mouse wheel didn't get those values, it didn't get the very next values, and I had to rewrite the whole section, but it looks fine now. Here we are seeing a part of the source code, how the save game cards function interprets the building string. This string contains all cards I want it to build up, and for each card you have specific attributes. You have the ID of the parent object, you have the relative position of the card, you have the relative orientation of the specific card. This may look improvised, but it is working, and it is compatible with upcoming features in the future and upcoming attributes. Thanks for watching.